Hi everyone! Just wanted to do some quick videos for you for catch up for the British Sign Language Society at UEA. I'm Rebecca, and so today I'll be going over the signs for weather. So for weather, put both hands up in front of your head, both sides, and bring it on. It's like how I like to think of it. So up above your head and flex your fingers. Weather. If you're asking what the weather today is, question word at the end. Weather. Today. What? Remember your furrowed eyebrows for your questions. Weather. Today. What? If you're asking what the weather outside will be, we say weather, and the sign for outside, curve your hand, point outside. Outside. Weather. Outside. What? So, to answer that question, is it rainy? So, hands out and across, rain. If it's really rainy, then you want to show that with your face and with your hand movements. So, rainy. It's really rainy outside. If it's sunny, have a closed fist on the side of your head and out. Sunny. Sunny. You can look up to it warmly so it's nice and warm on your face. Sun. For windy, you can have towards you, windy, like it's a gust of wind in your face. Cloudy, the clouds are up above your head, so use both hands, make claw-like motions. Cloudy. Cloudy. Make sure it is up above your head, otherwise you're going to be talking about hedges. For foggy, similar hand movements, have your claw hands and you're peering through the fog. Foggy. For icy, again, same claw hand shapes, out in front of you and pull it back. Icy. Icy. It's also a sign for frozen. Frozen. For thunder and lightning, for a storm, we say both of the signs together to mean storm, but thunder has two signs depending on your preference or often whether you're deaf or hearing. So for thunder, deaf people feel the thunder. So hands in front of you, shaking outwards. And for hearing people, we hear the thunder. So it's our ears. Thunder. Thunder. For lightning, index finger out of your dominant hand and you make a little zigzag. Lightning. So for a storm, you'd have your thunder and lightning. Storm. If it's snowing outside, similar to rain, get both of your hands out. Snow. If it's really snowing, make sure you show it with your facial expression. Snowing. If it's hot, for weather, it's from your forehead. Hot. So we'll wipe away that sweat. Hot. Cold, both of your hands together in fists and shake. Cold. If it's really cold, show it with your facial expression and your teeth might be chattering as well. Cold. We might have some floods with lots of rain. So flood, upwards. So both of your hands come down in front of you and you show the water level rising. Flood. For seasons, because that's quite similar to weather, so I'll include it here. Spring. Your non-dominant hand out in front of you and your dominant hand comes from behind to grow into a little tree. Spring. Spring. Summer is the same sign as hot. Summer. I have also seen summer. It's to do with the weather being hot. For autumn, there's a few different signs you can use. Use whatever you feel comfortable with. You can have your non-dominant hand outwards, being the tree, and the leaves falling off, however way you might like. You can also have, very similar to snow, autumn. So the leaves are falling down side to side. Make sure you have your lip pattern of autumn. And winter is the same sign as cold, winter. So to go over the seasons again, we have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. That's all for my weather recap for you. If you have any other questions, please contact the Society and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.